To redeem your Dave & Buster's gift card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have a valid gift card with a sufficient balance to cover your intended purchase. You can check your gift card balance by visiting the Dave & Buster's website or by calling their customer service number. Next, locate a Dave & Buster's restaurant and entertainment center near you. You can find a location by visiting their website and using their store locator tool. Once you arrive at the location, proceed to the front desk or the game area to redeem your gift card. To redeem your gift card, inform the staff that you would like to use a gift card for payment. They will then ask for the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. If you are using the gift card to play games, the staff will load the gift card balance onto a game card, which you can then use to play games and purchase food and drinks. If you are using the gift card to purchase food and drinks, the staff will apply the gift card balance to your bill. You can also use your gift card to purchase merchandise from the Dave & Buster's store. Ensure you have sufficient balance on your gift card to cover the cost of your purchase, as you will not be able to use your gift card if the balance is insufficient. It is also important to note that Dave & Buster's gift cards cannot be redeemed for cash, and any remaining balance on the gift card will remain until it is used. To get the most out of your gift card, plan your visit to Dave & Buster's in advance and take advantage of their specials and promotions. In addition, consider combining your gift card with other offers and discounts to maximize your savings. By following these steps and tips, you can easily redeem your Dave & Buster's gift card and enjoy a fun and entertaining experience. Remember to always keep your gift card safe and secure to avoid loss or theft, and to check the expiration date of your gift card to ensure you use it before it expires.